Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look with the Curl Unleashed temporary hair wax. Okay, so I'm going for a half and half look, so I decided to use two colors. The first being Mystique, which I would describe as a shimmery lavender, and Bodacious Blue, which is very vivid and deep. I did wash my hair the night before and placed them into Bantu knots because I didn't want any excess buildup on top of the temporary hair wax. And I did do the parting off camera because that was a hot mess. If you only knew that out of the 45 minutes that it took me to film this footage, that 20 minutes was spent with me trying to get these buns to be symmetrical, and in the end I don't even think I cared enough because I got tired of constantly having to take the bun out. So naturally I'm very heavy-handed, so I took it upon myself to try to be a little more gentle and precise so that way I didn't overuse the product. I had previously done this look already, however when I originally did it, like I said, I am very heavy-handed, so I had this wax all over my forehead. So this time I'm trying to be, like I said, way more precise to make sure that I'm not using excess product. Okay, so my original plan was to keep my hair in this bun so that way I wouldn't be putting too much product on top of my scalp, but y'all, I don't know why I did. I almost snatched out all my edges. Okay, so I started using the second color, Mystique, and I did not understand why the color wasn't as bright or as vivid as the Bodacious Blue, so I did pack it on a little heavy. Now what I will say is when I was finished filming and I saw it in natural lighting, it did look a lot better and I did love the color more, but I just couldn't understand why it was not popping as much as I thought it would. Alright, so I wanted to take this moment to let y'all know that I am using Eco Styler gel to brush my hair back, because if there's one thing you guys are going to learn about me is that I'm always going to set the foundation for my edges to be laid. Child, if y'all only knew how my head was pulsating from how tight I made these buns, I had an instant headache. So after gripping the shit out of my scalp, I did decide to go back and put some of the wax over my head to pop some of my curls. Alright, so we are coming to the end of the video, and I just wanted to say I really did like this product. I would give it a 10 out of 10. Also, washing out the product was very easy. I didn't even need shampoo and it came out with one wash. I was really feeling myself. I didn't even wash the wax off of my forehead before I was going in, but I am going to go off camera and lay my edges. Yes, edges laid as always. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks for coming along on another journey with me. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe. And if you don't want to miss out on any more videos, hit the notification button. Bye. Have a nice day.